Me hear you. But where that be the most realistic place to start?
By helping to educate and enlighten young minds. Send youth them go to school and encourage them to remain loyal to the cause.
We're our own warriors.
Blood you see the vision.
Well, I've been a see the vision in a king. Just never have nobody to help me make it work out.
Because the focus was divided, brother. We did it on two different parts. But you see, now that we have a chance to link up and join forces, we will be a force to reckon with.
You know, one of the things that I always want to do? Start a community transportation system. Buy a few vehicles, give the youth them in the community, make them drive and run some taxi. So that the people in the community can feel more safe. And they know the youth them will transport them.
Genius, my brother. Because from this, we can create job opportunities for the youth them and significantly reduce the possibility of crime and violence in the communities.
Yeah. And we do it one community at a time.
And slowly emasculate and eradicate this two-party system. You see, by teaching and empowering the youth them to learn and earn for themselves.
And don't accept no handout.
And also learn the importance of self-reliance.
Well, it's not an easy task, you know, King.
But it will be worth doing.
Them will come after me.
Make them come. Because we prepare for it.
Boy, I may have to go shift up a few things, you know, King. I know them boy, they go and dig up some past there.
Take your time and fix things, bro. I just want to know, say you're on board.
You ready for this, you know, King?
That me want to hear.
Wagwan, little sis. So how's the family life with you and it? I mean, Robert. Hold on. So what you want to hurt him for? Let me not talk to Clarice already. I make you know so the law deal with it.
Everything alright, bro, fam?
Yeah, man, everything good. Yeah, I'm gonna deal with that thing in the King, man. Zane, so we link.
Ah, bro, fam.